So I went to Home Depot yesterday to buy some more project supplies and decided to expand my Ryobi tool collection again. I bought the Ryobi 18V sheet sander and we're gonna unbox it together. All right, let's open this up and see what we have inside. Okay, so we have 6 things in the box. We have our instructions. We have a nice little pamphlet to show you different Ryobi tools that they have for the 1 Plus and their 40V series. All right, we have a dust collector. We have a couple sheets of sandpaper. And we have this plate. I don't know what Ryobi calls it, but it's made to help you apply the sandpaper to this device. All right, so we're gonna show you how to assemble everything right now and get it going. So we can set the instructions off to the side, and the pamphlet, we don't need that. As far as the dust collector goes, you just slide it into the back and it's good to go. For now, I'm gonna leave it off so I can get the paper on easier. So just grab one of your sheets of paper. All right. The plate is spring-loaded with these, so just make sure they are loose. And now what we need to do is we need to get the paper under these springs to be able to connect it to the plate, right? And the best way to do this is you'll notice you've got the holes in the paper and you've got some studs right here sticking out of the plate. So we're gonna line these up on here. All right, with them lined up, if you look at the bottom, the plate, 3 holes on each side, lines up to the plate here. So put the paper on there. And we're gonna put it onto the bottom now. All right, just like that. Now, you have one edge of the plate as a nice little right angle guard. That helps hold it in place, right? And what we wanna do is we just wanna tuck this paper and get it underneath that clip. So this might take a little bit of working to do. It's not as easy as just throwing it onto a Velcro patch like most of your sandpaper does to your like your corner cat, right? I have it under there. Go ahead and lock it down. And I did the wrong lock initially. All right, there we go. Okay, first one's on. I'll come around the back. Now, easiest thing to do is to flip the plate around so that that right angle guard is now on the other side for you. Make sure you go in the right direction. Okay. Make sure it clips up. Tuck the paper under. Not quite. Got it. Lock it down. Okay, I missed it a little bit right there, so I would just reset this, but otherwise I got it clamped on the left side of it, and I'm clamped on the front. So, but otherwise that's how you do it, right? So, there you go, your paper's secured on there. Now you just need a battery. You got one on standby. Battery is not included with this, nor is a charger, so you have to buy those separately. Battery's on. Go ahead and plug in the dust collector. Just goes in like that. And your power switch. And that's it. All right, so that is the Ryobi 18V sheet sander. And yes, the paper was a little bit difficult to apply there. You saw me fumbling around. Not as easy as just slapping one onto your corner cat sander. But this paper is typically far cheaper than your corner cat or your orbital sander paper because usually that's cut to fit to those. And since they're specialty cuts for most devices, they tend to be more expensive. For a sheet sander, you can buy them like this, or you can even buy larger chunks of paper and you can just cut it to size. So if you wanted to have different quality paper or a different brand, you can just cut it down to wherever you need and then just stick it on here. So this paper does tend to be a lot cheaper than your corner cast sandpaper. I have not used it yet, and this is my first sheet sander I've had. So I am looking forward to using it on my next project. Hopefully it runs really well. Everything that I've seen so far I'm impressed about. I like having the dust collecting bag on it, so that helps avoid a mess and it's easier to breathe while using it. I don't have to wear a mask, and it's been really hot out here lately. I really don't want to have to wear a mask while I'm sanding. If you like this video, then hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment or two down below, and we'll see you next time.